200 Common English Sentences Challenge. English Avenue 2.0. Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of our 200 Common English Sentences Challenge. If you completed part 1, congratulations. Already know 100 useful daily sentences. Now let's learn 100 more sentences and improve our English speaking skills. Remember, don't just watch. Speak with me. Repeat after me. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Mini lesson 4. Many learners ask, how can I speak English fluently? The answer is simple. Listen, repeat, practice. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Start speaking today. Small progress every day becomes big success. Letter F. Word, friend. Pronunciation, friend. Examples. 1. He is my friend. 2. She is my best friend. 3. My friend helps me. 4. I trust my friend. 5. We are good friends. 6. Friends support each other. 7. I met a new friend. 8. My friend is kind. 9. A true friend is valuable. 10. Friends make life better. Vocabulary focus. Word, future. Examples. Think about your future. Your future is bright. English can change your future. Sentences 101 to 120. 101. I'm happy today. 102. I'm feeling great. 103. I'm not feeling well. 104. I need some rest. 105. Let's start. 106. Let's finish. 107. I'm almost done. 108. Give me a chance. 109. That's a good idea. 110. I have a question. 111. I have an answer. 112. I forgot. 113. I remember now. 114. That's my opinion. 115. I think so. 116. Maybe. 117. Of course. 118. Definitely. 119. Not really. 120. Absolutely. Motivation break. If you can learn your native language, you can learn English too. Millions of people around the world learned English through practice. You can do the same. Believe in yourself. One sentence today is better than 0 sentences tomorrow. Letter G. Word, good. Pronunciation, good. Examples. 1. Good job. 2. Good morning. 3. Good work. 4. Good luck. 5. Good choice. 6. Good idea. 7. Good answer. 8. Good effort. 9. Good friend. 10. Good habits matter. Vocabulary focus. Word, goal. Examples. Set a goal. My goal is fluency. Never give up on your goal. Sentences 121 to 140. 121. Where do you live? 122. I live in the city. 123. I live with my family. 124. How was your day? 125. My day was great. 126. It was wonderful. 127. It was difficult. 128. I enjoyed it. 129. I learned something new. 130. That's fantastic. 131. That's wonderful. 132. That's unbelievable. 133. I appreciate it. 134. Thank you so much. 135. You're very kind. 136. You're doing great. 137. Keep going. 138. Never give up. 139. Stay focused. 140. Stay positive. Mini Lesson 5. Learn the power word, get. Get is one of the most important English words. Examples. Get ready. Get up. Get dressed. Get better. Get started. Get inside. Get out. Get help. Get comfortable. Get some rest. The more you learn common words like get, the easier English becomes. Letter H. Word, help. Pronunciation, help. Examples. 1. Can you help me? 2. I need help. 3. Help is available. 4. Thanks for your help. 5. Let me help you. 6. Help yourself. 7. Help others. 8. I appreciate your help. 9. Your help matters. 10. We can help each other. Sentences 141, 160. 141. What do you think? 142. That's a good point. 143. I understand your idea. 144. Let's discuss it. 145. Let's try again. 146. Don't be nervous. 147. Stay calm. 148. Everything is okay. 149. We can do it. 150. Trust yourself. 151. Believe in yourself. 152. Keep learning. 153. Keep improving. 154. Keep moving forward. 155. Success takes time. 156. Practice makes progress. 157. Learning never stops. 158. Knowledge is power. 159. Hard work pays off. 160. Success is possible. If you're serious about learning English, subscribe to English Avenue 2.0. Join our 30-day English speaking challenge. Practice daily. Stay consistent. And watch your confidence grow every day. Letter I. Word, improve. Pronunciation, improve. Examples. 1. I want to improve. 2. Improve your skills. 3. Improve daily. 4. Improve your English. 5. Improve your pronunciation. 6. Improve your vocabulary. 7. Improve your confidence. 8. Improve your future. 9. Improve step by step. 10. Improvement takes time. Vocabulary, focus. Word, important. Examples. English is important. Practice is important. Confidence is important. Sentences 161 to 180. 161. What are your plans? 162. I don't know yet. 163. I'll think about it. 164. Sounds good. 165. Sounds great. 166. That's perfect. 167. That's fine. 168. That's okay. 169. No worries. 170. Take your time. 171. I'm interested. 172. I'm not interested. 173. Let's meet tomorrow. 174. Let's talk later. 175. I'll call you. 176. I'll text you. 177. Please let me know. 178. I'll be there. 179. See you soon. 180. Have a safe trip. Mini lesson 6. Learn the power word, make. Examples. Make a plan. Make a decision. Make progress. Make money. Make friends. Make time. Make a mistake. Make breakfast. Make an effort. Make it happen. This single word is used thousands of times in daily English. Letter J. Word, job. Pronunciation, job. Examples. 1. I have a job. 2. I love my job. 3. My job is challenging. 4. He found a new job. 5. She enjoys her job. 6. Good jobs require skills. 7. English helps in jobs. 8. Practice for better jobs. 9. My dream job awaits me. 10. Keep improving for success. Sentences 181, 200. 181. I'm proud of you. 182. You can do it. 183. Never stop learning. 184. Every day is a new chance. 185. Learn something new today. 186. Stay motivated. 187. Stay confident. 188. Keep practicing. 189. Keep speaking English. 190. Keep growing. 191. Don't quit. 192. Don't give up. 193. Your future is bright. 194. Your journey has started. 195. Success is waiting. 196. Great things take time. 197. Believe in your dreams. 198. Work hard every day. 199. Keep moving forward. 200. See you in the next lesson. Final message. Congratulations. You have completed the 200 Common English Sentences Challenge. Remember these 3 rules. Rule 1. Speak English every day. Rule 2. Don't fear mistakes. Rule 3. Stay consistent. If you practice these 200 sentences for the next 30 days, your speaking confidence will improve significantly. Thank you for learning with us. Welcome to English Avenue 2.0, where English becomes easy, practical, and fun. If you like the video, then subscribe the channel and like the video, and we will cover the rest of the alphabets in the upcoming video, so press the bell icon and join our channel, and within 30 days, you will be taught how to speak English well. See you in the next lesson.